Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of March's Ipsy Boxycharm box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So as usual, I did go ahead and try out some of the makeup products on my face today before I film this. That way I can give you guys my first impressions. So to start off first, I'm going to go ahead and get the products that they chose for me out of the way first, and then I'll get onto the products that I customize. So first off, from BYOD, which stands for Be Your Own Desire, I got a setting powder from this brand. I've never heard of this brand before. But anyways, it's a translucent matte powder. The retail value on this is $28. I tried it out on my face today. I don't know, I don't feel like setting powders you can really tell for sure just from one use. I feel like it's a product that you kind of have to wear throughout the day to really tell if you like it or not. I have had this powder on for about 4-ish hours. I don't know. It worked. It's fine. I didn't put like a ton of it on because I don't usually ever put like a ton of powders on. Anyways, I'm kind of getting in my head of myself. Here's what the powder looks like. The packaging powder. I mean, it's nice. It worked. I don't know. I really don't have much to say about it. It's a nice powder. I was going to say if I look really oily, which I don't feel like I do look super oily, but I do kind of have a glow to my face, so maybe I am. I don't know. I've had it on for 4 hours. It did its job. Alright, that's all I really have to say about that. Like I said, I really have a hard time doing first impressions of a powder because I feel like I said, I'm probably being redundant, but like I said, you kind of have to wear it for a while and use it a couple of times to get a real opinion on it. It's a nice powder. That's all I'm going to say. Alright, and then moving on, I have something here by Shades by Shan. This is their brow pencil and brow gel. It's a duo. They sent it to me in the shade dark brown. Yeah, I like this product. I'm not a big gel person, so one side has the pencil, which is this nice fine tip, kind of weird shape. I don't know what you'd call that shape. Diamond shape maybe. And then on the other end it has the gel. This, of course, is what is on my eyebrows. It worked. The shade is just fine for me. Filled in my brows really well. I did use the gel. I don't normally use gel, but I did use it. It does make my eyebrows a little bit stiff feeling, but I think that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to keep your eyebrows in place. I mean, I will keep using this product. I really don't have any complaints. I think it's a good product. The retail value on this is $22. So from here on out, this is the products that I customize. So first up, from 5 cents, this is their In Deep perfume. Now, when I looked at this product on the Ipsy app, normally I will go to each product and get the price and write it down so I can tell you guys the prices of each product. They actually didn't have a price for this on the app. So I actually, because I actually really like the smell of this. So what does it say it's supposed to smell like? Tahiti ton, vanilla. Oh my gosh. I will just show you the box because I don't know how to pronounce these things and I'm probably going to butcher them. There's the list of what the smell is supposed to be, if you're curious. Now, I did a little spritz of this when I first got the box. I really, really like the smell of this. It's definitely a sweeter fragrance, which I don't mind. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet, and it definitely has a musk scent to it. I don't know, I really, really liked it. Anyway, so like I said, there wasn't a price on the website, but I ended up doing my own little research because I was curious. I was like, how much is this? Because I was like, I may pick up another bottle of this when I use this up because I really like the smell of it. I think this is my favorite perfume that I've gotten from Boxycharm so far. So this size here, small little size, on their website retails for $29. I was like, holy macaroni, just for this little small perfume. I honestly thought at first this was a sample size, but this is like their travel size. So yeah, $29 for this. I was like, dang. I think for the big one it's like 60 bucks, which is probably not that bad for high-end perfume. But you know me, I'm pretty cheap, so I'm like, 60 bucks for a perfume? I will say it's a really nice smelling perfume, and it did linger on me for a long time. So like this one little spritz, I was smelling it throughout the day, so it's probably worth it. Maybe I'll buy it someday, but I have a ton of other perfumes I need to go through first before I go spending any more money. But, so, $29 on that. I don't know why they didn't say that on the Ipsy website, like how much it was. Alright, and then next up from Fenty Beauty, this is their powder blush in the shade Sundress. Sundress? Is that? Sundress, I don't know how to say this. I don't know what this word means. So it's Sundress and then SZN. I don't know how to pronounce that, and I don't know what it stands for. Sundress, SZN. I don't know. Anyways, so it's in this cute little shape packaging here. It was like really confusing. Like it's kind of square, but then you turn it. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, it's very interesting packaging. Now I will say when I got this, I had to like kind of press it back because it like halfway shattered. Like it wasn't completely shattered, but it was starting to become shattered. Like you can still tell in the pan like where I've squished it down. I don't know, it feels, it's a super soft formula. I'm honestly kind of scared to like hold it up like this. It looks like it's about to fall out. I hope it's not. I squished it back down as best as I could, but you can just tell like on the edge how it's like coming up. So yeah, I need to press it back probably even more, but I can just, it's one of those super soft formulas that just probably barely dropping it will make it shatter. So you just have to be really careful with these type of formulas. But anyways, I used it on my cheeks today. That's what I have on. I know I say that all the time. That's what I have on, even though I told you guys that. Forgive me, I'm in a mood today. Anyways, I really, really liked the shade a lot. Like, as soon as I used this and saw it on, like, applied it and how easily it went on, like, it's pretty pigmented. Didn't take a whole lot. It just went on really smooth. And I was just looking at it, I was like, wow, I really, really, like, I'm sure you hear me say that, but I was like, you know what, I think this is my new favorite blush, because I just really liked the shade on me. It was just very flattering to my face. I was like, wow, this is a really nice blush. I really like it. And I don't say that just, you know, just to get you guys hyped over a product. Like, I really enjoyed it. I was like, wow, yeah, I can see myself using the shade a lot. So I'm really, really happy with this. I don't always like Fenty products. I don't really think there's anything wrong with them. It's just I've never found a product that I really liked from Fenty Beauty. But this, I was like, yeah, I could see myself repurchasing this if I ever used it up. And then next up from Prados, I think is how you say that, Prados. It looks like Prada, but it's Prados with an O. This is their Done with the Slay makeup remover. The retail value on this is $21, so it's just a makeup remover. I only chose this because I think the other options were like skincare, and I was kind of curious about this. But anyways, it's just in a plastic bottle. I really don't know what's so special about this that it would cost $21, but you know what, makeup remover, I will definitely use it. So yeah, that's all I really have to say. I didn't use this product today because it's not really a... I mean, I guess I could use it after this video, but I don't know. I have another makeup remover I'm going through right now. But anyways, interesting product. Sure, I'll try it. Alright, and then normally I would have another product to show you guys, which is, I get 6 products because I'm signed up for the Beauty Boost item, but I don't have it. They didn't send it to me, and I had to contact them. I was like, hey, I'm missing a product because there should be 6 in here and there's only 5. So I'll show you what I was supposed to get. So my beauty boost item would have been this product from Tatcha. It's the Kiss You Lip Tint Tinted Lips Sunscreen. It's a long ass title, but anyways. SPF 25 in the shade Midnight Lily. And it retails for $34. I'm going to show you kind of, let me see if my camera will focus. No, not my thumb. There it is. So it's like a really darker shade, and I'm kind of was like, I don't know about that, but it was like really the only makeup product that I wanted. I think it was like the only makeup product as an option for my beauty boost. It was either that or skincare, lots of different skincare options, but anyways, so yeah, I'm missing that product. I did go ahead and contact Ipsy and was like, hey, I'm missing a product. And they got back with me like, I don't know, everybody complains. I've heard a lot of people complaining about Ipsy's customer service. I've never had an issue with their customer service. They've always been really good about getting back with me, like within a day, sometimes even the same day that I contact them. Like if it's in the morning or something, by that evening I will have gotten a response. But anyways, I contacted them. I said, hey, this product is missing. I honestly thought they were just going to end up giving me credit or something. I know from like a business like Ipsy's, they could like because I didn't have any proof. I was just like, I don't have my product. I mean, I could send you a picture of the box, but you can always like, you know how people can always scam. Not that I'm scamming them, but I really didn't expect them to send me a replacement item. I thought they would just send me like credit or something to spend in their store or whatever. But they did say that they were sending out another product, so hopefully I will get that product. It's supposed to be shipped already. I don't know. I'll see if they end up sending me it, but I was like, cool, they're sending me a replacement. Thank you. But anyways, like they were really good about it. They were just like, oh, so sorry that this happened to you. Sometimes this stuff happens. We will send out a replacement. Sometimes, like this has happened in the past. It's not very often, but it has happened that I didn't get a product or something, and sometimes they have given me credit or something, like because sometimes they don't have the product to send out. Like, I don't know, I guess everyone chose that product as their customization, and that's why I didn't get it. But they've always been really good about getting back with me and communicating with me, so I appreciate that. But yeah, I'm kind of excited to get that item. I'm kind of like, I'm excited, but I'm also kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to like it because that shade is so dark. I don't know if you could tell in the picture, but it's like a dark, dark red or a dark purple. I can't really tell, but I'm kind of hoping that I can just kind of dab it on and just kind of use it like as a light tint to my lips, but we'll see. Alright, there you go. There's my rambling. I'm done rambling for the day. Alright, so that's everything that I got in the box. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price, let you guys know the overall value, and then after that I'll do a final run through and let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value for my box is $134, which is pretty good considering what I paid for the box. Alright, so final run through. Let's see. So I got the setting powder. I don't know. I have enough setting powders that I don't really care to get setting powders in my boxes anymore because it's a product that I just don't use up super quickly, so I feel like I have a ton of setting powders in my collection already. So it's just kind of an product for me. It's nice to get, but at the same time I could have done without. I have to say I think my favorite products in the box is definitely the blush and the perfume. I really, really like this perfume, like the smell. It's just definitely up my alley. It's definitely a perfume I would have picked up. Maybe not for the price, but you know, I need to get over that. I need to get over spending money like that on myself. I just have I have a problem spending money on myself, and I need to get over that. But anyway, so I really like the perfume, and then I love the blush. I really do. I just think this color is just so flattering on me. Maybe you guys can let me know if you think differently, but actually don't tell me. I don't want to know. I think it looks good on me, and that's what matters. Anyway, so I really liked how easy it applied and how it just kind of melted into my skin. I really don't like it when people say that, oh, it just melts into your skin. But no, it really went on super easy. It really was effortless. And I'm being sincere about that. It was really easy to apply, and I just like how it looks on my face. Okay, so these are my two favorite products right here. The brow product I don't mind getting. I use brow products all the time. And normally I don't like duos like this, but I don't know, maybe I'll start using this gel. Maybe I'll become a brow gel type of gal. I don't know. I kind of try to keep my eyebrows like to a certain length. I don't just let them go crazy, but I don't know. I will keep using it. I'm definitely interested in this product. And then the makeup remover is just kind of a meh product. I would never pay $21 for a makeup remover. I always just get those. Oh, I forget the brand. I don't remember. Oh, I think it's Micellar. Micellar water? Is that what it's called? I just get the cheap stuff from the drugstore. That I don't know how much it is now. It used to be like $7 or something. I don't know. And it's probably gone up. It's probably like $10. But I just get that and it works just fine. So I would probably never repurchase this. But hey, I get to try it out. And then the last product, I really can't say anything because I don't have it, so I don't know what to think of. But I am excited to see Tatcha in the is it Tatcha or Tasha? However you say that. I'm really excited to see them in the box. They're pretty high-end brands, so I'm really curious to see how that lip tint works for me. It's interesting that it's an SPF product. I feel like they're slipping SPF into everything now, which is probably not a bad thing. It's good to take care of your skin, but I am curious to see what that would do, like formula-wise. I don't really know how that works, but anyway, so I'm really excited to get that product when it comes in and to try it out. But overall, bottom line, overall, I actually am pretty happy with this box. These two products really made it worth it to me, in my opinion. And the brow product I did enjoy using. Went on super easy. You know, I always need a good brow pencil, so, and the other products are just kind of, not too bad, but nothing exciting. And yeah, like I said, the Tasha product, so overall, pretty good box this month. Sorry guys, I feel like I'm just extra rambly today, and I don't really know why. But anyways, there you go guys, that is going to do it for today. That is my unboxing for March's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because that really does help with my channel, and also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. But other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!